Aloha. I like to do my own graphic design, and I saw this rocker panel step, and I thought it would make a nice place for a carbon flash graphic. So I got with my friend Mike at vetstripes.com, and he sent me some translucent tracing paper. I laid it down and traced out the design with magic marker and send it back to him, and he created one in carbon flash. Now Mike sent back the test pattern of the carbon flash rocker panel step, and I installed it last night. This is how it looks, and it wraps around about 1 inch underneath the rocker, so that I think it turned out really well. This is going to be called the rocker panel step from Mike over at vetstripes.com. It'll be available for sale soon.